folks, hope you're all well. Well, one of this week's projects is to make some handles for our overhead cupboards. I'll be making them out of leather because I like tinkering with a bit of leather every now and then, and I think I've come up with a design I've not seen before, so that appeals even more. And yeah, we'll see how it goes. So watch along if you fancy making your own leather handles for your cupboards. Hopefully this will give you a couple of pointers for making your own. Alright, see how it turns out. That's the straps. I've just glued on the different coloured pieces that we've got, which is just showing through the holes that I've cut. So I've just got to wait for those to dry a bit, and then I can actually turn the handles into the loops. Coming along anyway. Well, that's all the handles bent and sort of just held for now. I had to dampen them to get them to gain the radius. So I'm just waiting for them to dry a little, and then should hold the shape a little bit, which will help me when I'm putting them on the cupboard. So gauging where the catch is behind the back of this. There it goes. Now I need to drill from the back to take the head of it. What I've done is, you may not see this very well, I actually set the depth of that for just accepting the depth of the Chicago screw head, so it ends up being flush mounted. We'll give that a whirl. Not very well prepared. I'll go get my handles. Screw in. So hopefully you followed along and enjoyed the making of these handles. They're a little bit different to anything I've seen. I said that before, but yeah, I just didn't want something that was too plain. Good luck making your own handles, and I hope this has helped a little bit. Alright, cheers, take care folks.